Let's do 8.3. Use the graph to determine the values of k for which this function f of x will have 3 real and unequal roots. What do I usually do with this? I make sure that f of x is on the left hand side, and then any other expression that we're given must be on the right hand side. So if you check, this is our whole f of x. So this is just like f of x is equal to k. Right. So k, I treat it like a function, another function. Right. So remember, when we're dealing with points of intersection, let's say, I'll explain this. Let's say k maybe is g of x. We're saying like f of x is equal to g of x. We're talking about the points of intersection here, where the graphs intersect, right? And then k, what type of a function is it? If I'm saying, for example, k is 2, and then I say g of x is equal to 2, what type of function is this? This is a linear function, which is actually a horizontal line. This is a horizontal line. Okay, y is equal to 2. This will be y is equal to 2. So this k here is a function which is a horizontal line. So now, if I have f of x is equal to k, f of x is equal to k, and k is like the g of x I'm talking about here is the horizontal line, where are these two graphs going to intersect 3 times? Where are these graphs going to intersect 3 times? Now you check here, we have this part. How many times are these graphs intersecting? 2 times, there and there. This line will be y is equal to, or let me say k, because it's talking about k. K is equal to 4 here. And then again here, they're intersecting 2 times. This will be k is equal to 0. Okay, right. But now want them to intersect 3 times. So it means it should be anywhere. Our k value should be between 0 and 4. You see that? Anywhere between 0 and 4. The graphs are going to intersect how many times? 3 times. Anywhere between 0 and 4. The graphs are going to intersect 3 times. You see that? So now we can easily say that our k value should be between 0 and 4. It cannot be 0 because at 0, if it is 0, these two will intersect twice. If it is 4, they will also intersect twice. But now it should be between 0 and 4. So therefore, k should be greater than 0 but less than 4. Okay, or you can write it like this: k is an element of 0, we use the round bracket because it's not included, to 4, we use round bracket which is not included.